investment landscape of China in Vietnam is currently seeing maybe positive changes. As of April 2023, investments from China has been a nearly 70% increase compared to the previous years, expanding from north to south, from strategic province to large industrial zones. China is at the forefront of foreign investment in Vietnam, even surpassing giants like South Korea and Japan. This investment not only stimulates the local economy, but also reflects the global shift in supply chains, opening up new opportunities and fostering a diverse business environment beneficial for both countries. Join us in this video to explore popular forms of Chinese investment in Vietnam, understanding the challenges investors may face, and discover valuable legal and business strategies from sustainable development in Vietnam. Mr. Quân, having dedicated considerable effort and passion to researching Chinese investment in Vietnam, we understand we can't cover everything in a brief program like this. Could you outline for our audience the current form of Chinese investment in Vietnam?
Yes, Chinese projects primarily utilize the forms of 100% foreign capital investment. Additionally, there are investment through BOT, BT, or BTO contracts, as well as joint ventures and capital contribution to joint stock companies.
Mr. Quân, before decided to invest in Vietnam, what challenges should Chinese investor be prepared to face?
Yes, based on my research, Chinese investors should in Vietnam face at least the following 7 difficulties and challenges. Firstly, strict compliance with environmental regulations and ensuring technological standards are fundamental. However, this exerts considerable pressure on investors. Vietnam enforces stringent environmental rules, and violation may incur heavy fines, directly impacting the projects. Furthermore, developing a production ecosystem from design through raw materials to production presents significant challenges due to reliance on imports with inflated costs. This not only increases production expenses but also delays market entries. Moreover, managing high quality labor and adhering to the labor regulations present challenges, requiring the development of an effective human resource strategy to ensure legal compliance. Additionally, language and cultural barriers complicate the communication and management, requiring that the investors grasp and respect the local custom to foster positive relationship with the partners and employees in Vietnam. Next, stay informed about market laws and regulations in Vietnam, including the latest changes and updates, can be a big challenge. Then, the market financial risks such as price fluctuation, exchange rates, and possible inflation. This requires investors to have careful financial planning and risk management. And finally, protection of intellectual property rights. Although Vietnam has made much progress in the field of protecting intellectual property rights, there are still challenges and risks related to the effective protection of these rights.
Mr. Quân, given these numerous challenges of investing in Vietnam, could you offer some recommendations and advice to have Chinese investor navigate in Vietnam?
Yes, considering the investment situation of the foreign investor in general and the Chinese investor in particular, in order to do business smoothly and legally towards sustainable development in Vietnam, we propose the following 6 recommendations. First and foremost, it is crucial to learn and comply with Vietnam's investment law and enterprise law. Vietnam has a unique legal framework governing investment and enterprise activities, including regulation concerning company establishment, minimum investment capital, and encourage or conditional investment areas. Second, learn about international trade agreements. Vietnam is a member of many free trade agreements or FTAs and international organizations such as the WTO. Chinese companies establishing operation in Vietnam should familiarize themselves with the incentive and commitments outlined in these FTAs to capitalize on preferential tariffs and trade regulations. Third, compliance with tax and import-export regulations. Foreign investors should clearly understand their tax obligations, including corporate income tax, VAT, and other taxes. In addition, compliance with import and export regulation, including commodity controls, rules of origin, and quotas, is important. Fourth, pay attention to labor issues. Vietnam has strict labor regulation, including workers' rights, working conditions, and labor safety. Ensuring compliance with this regulation not only helps avoid legal risks, but also contributes to a positive work environment. Fifth, intellectual property rights protection. Ensure protection of IP rights during business processes in Vietnam. This includes registering copyright, trademarks, patents, and other IP rights according to Vietnamese and international regulations. And finally, professional legal advice. Because laws and regulations in Vietnam can change and complex, it's very important to accompany an experienced legal partner in Vietnam. Reputable lawyers or law firm can provide accurate advice and establish optimal legal strategies, thereby helping to avoid unnecessary legal risks. Yeah, I hope that by adhering to and flexibly applying the above recommendation, foreign investor in Vietnam can seize opportunities and overcome challenges for sustainable development in the Vietnamese market.
Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channels to stay updated with useful content.